How to moving the robot and this position and this one is position. Okay, first the here joint and the cut is used the moving robot. You see it. And yes, this is my J1 yeah, okay, J2 okay, J3 J4 J6 J5 J6 okay, this one is cut and its joint only one exercise move it. You see it. J1 J2 J3 J4 J5 J6 okay, joint only one exercise to moving. Joint is go up, down, left and right, and front and the back, and the cut J4, the touch J5 here, and J6 is return. Okay. This one is tool and the user. Here we don't use it. We must check this one, positional. You can see it. Is one J1, J2, to J6, and the next positional the exercise. This one, you see it. Is J7, and this one is J8, and this robotic track is J9, and this turntable is J10. Okay, we now learn to how to move it. First must here is choose positional, choose positional, and J1 is the same as J7, J2 is J8, and J3 is J9, and J4 is turntable. Okay, we test it. First we turn okay, and J8 okay, and this J9 is J4 okay. Okay, how to let the robot go home? You choose the BK button, back button, BK. The all exercise go home. you know. Yeah. This one is go back. This one is go back. Is back. The boat go back. The truck will go back. You can see the position. It's back. And the master press this button and then other one. Okay. This video is let you know how to control the welding robot workstation, how to control all exercise to moving